Imagine you're in severe pain and need an MRI scan. You have to lie perfectly still for an hour. For children, for elderly people, this is extremely difficult. For lying still for this long, even a small movement can create motion artifacts. So why don't we simply take faster MRI scans? Faster MRI scans just collects less information and thus create blurry images. For radiologists and doctors, it is now very difficult for them to check if there are small abnormalities or tumors. This is where AI reconstruction models could come in. AI models could learn to reconstruct an image based on the less information collected from the MRI scans. But before we use these models inside our hospitals and for doctors, we need to check how reliable are these models to begin with. This was the goal of my summer research with Dr. Mehran. I evaluated an AI reconstruction model using a large collection of MRI brain scans, and to evaluate the model fairly, I built a standardized reconstruction pipeline that allowed me to compare its performance under different scan times and also noisier conditions. To simulate faster MRI scans, I gradually reduced the amount of information given to these models by 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, and 16 times. And I also added noisier conditions to these images. I then compared the AI reconstruction with the original MRI images to see how much information the model could really recover. What I found was really encouraging. Although the image quality decreased, as scans become faster and noisier, the AI consistently produced images that were much closer to the original MRI than the degraded ones. In other words, even when given far less information or noisier conditions, the AI reconstruction model could create an image which is very closer to the one with full information. This shows that AI has the potential to make MRI scans faster while maintaining the image quality, which doctors really depend on. Every minute removed from an MRI scan means less discomfort for patients, fewer motion-related errors, and the ability to scan more people each day. My research is one step forward to making that future possible. Thank you for your time.